Hey, are you trying to make some money online? Now you can earn cash with TopSurveys. These are guys with they have a website and have an app. So you sign up on this app. You can sign up with your Gmail and you access their dashboard. Dashboard looks like this. I believe they give you a bonus of $5 if you sign up with them, and the minimum withdrawal is around like $20. Okay. Most of the people who sign up on this platform want to do kind of reviews, surveys. I see there's one which is like $1. Okay. $1. It will take you like 2 minutes. Others kind of can pay you. I've seen like there's one which can go for 5 minutes, but they can pay like 0.7. Anyway, just as you know about surveys, they really don't pay a lot, but you can try to survive if you're trying to do some money online. You will need like $20 to withdraw money. You can mix in the games and surveys, and their dashboard is actually simple. Okay. Now, for some of the people who are giving reviews, yes, there are some complaints, but it's pretty solid. Sometimes a few surveys won't load or stop loading. Other times you won't qualify, but it's not as near as much as other survey sites. Better than most, and possible to meet your cash out, especially within a very few, with a very little effort. First cash out was quick and smooth. As I attempted to cash out another $5, I got told your account is under review for 24 hours. It gives something like that. There are other people who are kind of complaining. I really understand no app really have no complaints, but generally, I believe you can try out these guys, okay? They will reward you for small tasks like installing games and beating a couple of levels, but once you get to a certain higher paying level, they will start to fight out. Don't pay you. When you conduct support, they will say your partner doesn't have a record of you completing the level. If you send a proof that you completed, they will just ignore and all that stuff. This one's a bad one, but generally, if you go through the several reviews, these guys really don't look so bad. But for concerning the reviews, I think most of the people who are giving the bad reviews they're being disqualified from some surveys. And that is something which I believe every survey site has. There's no survey site you want you be allowed in all surveys without being disqualified, because some of these surveys, the companies that are giving them require they usually have some qualifications. Maybe you have to be living in Africa or in Canada or or maybe you have to be employed, or you have to be this age range. So some of these factors like being disqualified cannot be controlled by TopSurveys actually as a platform, because some of these surveys are kind of coming from other companies, and these companies actually give requirements that they require from someone. So some of these reviews, some of these surveys, you may be disqualified. Okay, yeah. So, but it's worth trying it out. I've ever tried it out in 2024. I don't know what happened to my account. I think I lost my email or something, but I believe it's legit. But just as any other survey site, some of the surveys you will be disqualified. Okay. If you're interested in videos like this that help you find out what really pays online, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you think about TopSurveys, and have a nice day.